How to use AutoDS for dropshipping. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to automate your dropshipping business and save countless of hours managing products, orders, and suppliers, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through on how you can use AutoDS for dropshipping step by step. Whether you're a beginner or just curious step automation, I'll show you on how you can get started, how the system works, and how to get the most out of its powerful tools. So make sure to watch this all the way to the end so you don't miss out on any key tips. Before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. First things first, let's start with the basics. What is AutoDS? AutoDS is a dropshipping automation tool designed to streamline the entire process of running an e-commerce store. It allows you to import products from multiple suppliers, automatically update stocks and prices, fulfill orders automatically, and even track analytics. It supports popular platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, and Facebook marketplaces, making it an incredible all-in-one tool for store owners. And so how do you go ahead and sign up and get started with AutoDS? Basically, it's really simple. All you have to do is to navigate through their official website, which is going to be autods.com. And from here, you then want to click on the Get Started button. Unfortunately, we cannot go ahead and try their product for free, but we have to go ahead and pay at least $1 in order to avail their 14-day free trial. Now, as I was saying, we are now inside the live selling channel, or the selling channel that we want to import AutoDS to. Now, to make things easier, let's go ahead and choose one of the most popular WooCommerce or e-commerce stores out there, which is going to be Shopify. So let's just click on Shopify right here. And before you proceed any further, you are then taken to the payment page. Once again, you will be able to try this out for $1 for 14 days trial. So you can go ahead and choose between import 200, starter 500, and advanced 1K. You will be able to import 200 products, 500 products, and 1K products. So let's start with the cheapest one right here. Click on the Start Now button, and right after that, you will then be taken to this page where you can see your Shopify import 200, and you will be able to simply select your payment method. It's going to be PayPal, Payoneer, or you can use your card number. Right after clicking on Continue, you will then be taken to your own dashboard. Now you'll also want to go ahead and install their Chrome extension, which is essential for importing products directly from suppliers. AutoDS will begin syncing with your store. It just takes a few minutes. So, how to go ahead and simply import products on AutoDS. Basically, AutoDS supports a wide range of suppliers including Amazon, AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, Walmart, Home Depot, and more. Now to go ahead and import a product, you can just go ahead and navigate through one of the suppliers that I've mentioned like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, etc. From there, you can just find a product from a supported supplier, click the AutoDS Chrome extension that I've mentioned earlier, and from there you can then go ahead and choose your store. But before importing, you want to make sure to edit out the product details, pricing rules, and descriptions. From there, you can just click on Import. Now, you can also use the product finder inside AutoDS to discover trending products and add them directly to your store in bulk. From there, we then have the price and inventory automation. Once your products are imported, AutoDS takes care of the rest. Basically, it monitors supplier stock in real time. It updates your store's product availability if the item goes out of stock. It adjusts pricing automatically if supplier price change. So you can set pricing rules to control profit margins, break-even points, and apply discounts based on your strategy. Now we then have the automatic order fulfillment. This is one of the most powerful features of AutoDS. Basically, when a customer places an order, AutoDS can fulfill it automatically using the Fulfilled by AutoDS feature. You can also track shipment status and provide real-time tracking to your customers. The system also offers one-click return and messaging templates to make customer service easier. Now, we then have the Analytics and Overview dashboard. Inside your AutoDS, you can get a dashboard that helps you track your sales and revenue, your profit and expenses, the top selling products, your order status. Basically, these insights help you make informed decisions and scale your business effectively. Now, of course, let's then navigate back to the pricing plans and free trials. AutoDS offers a different pricing tiers depending on your needs. Once again, it's going to be the starter one, which is going to be the import 200. It's ideal for beginners with one store and limited products. You have advanced for growing stores with automated orders and more features, which is going to be the import 500. And lastly, we have the import 1K for large scale businesses managing multiple stores. Now, they also offer a free trial so you can test everything before committing. Now, this trial will cost you $1. Now, let's talk about some best practices and final tips. Here are a few quick tips to get the most out of AutoDS. First, you want to use the bulk importer to save time if you're scaling fast. You want to take advantage of AutoDS training materials and live support. You want to monitor analytics weekly to tweak pricing and product strategies. You want to set up automation rules early to prevent manual errors. And you want to test different suppliers and use delivery time filters to avoid long shipping times. And so, basically, that's everything that you need to know. Once again, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Once again, to import the products into your store, you can just go ahead and choose your store first to connect them to your Shopify, to your eBay, WooCommerce, Etsy, etc. And from there, you can then go ahead and install the AutoDS Dropshipping Helper, and you can navigate through a supplier that basically supports AutoDS. From there, you can just click on the import product and you should be good to go. Now, that's everything that you need to know on how to use AutoDS for dropshipping. Basically, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce tutorials like this one. If you're ready to start using AutoDS, check out the link in the description to sign up and start your free trial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.